Bullish Bitcoin money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $475.24 and $897.67 by 2030. Market examiners accept BCH could reach $369.63 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $84.49. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was propelled by despondency with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash, the making of Bitcoin money. What works more like a cash than a store of significant worth? Lighted a wild question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and economically. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and pronouncing it to presently not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, at that point, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start yet has encountered unrest from that point forward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more helpful cash, devotees of digital currencies regularly put resources into it. The coin's cost has the normal market unpredictability. Yet many individuals accept its future will be more brilliant and will offer more prominent benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money? Despite the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the cryptographic money split into Bitcoin Money ABC and Bitcoin Money SV in November 2018. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and cryptographic forms of money overall advancing. But BCH's forking was fundamentally spurred by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and hung tight for affirmation. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin money, will make it workable for clients to involve Bitcoin as a mechanism for ordinary exchanges and allow it an opportunity to contend with enormous MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge extreme expenses to handle worldwide exchanges. Bitcoin money specialized investigation cost likewise fell under another lower low after a negative breakout from the sideways channel, confirming a downtrend. Close the $100 support, it is oversold, recommending a potential passage point for a swing exchange. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Bitcoin money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $158.41. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $147.85 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $126.73. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $264.02. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the BCH's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $211.22 and a typical exchanging cost of $232.34. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $369.63 and BCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $337.95 and a low of $316.82 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026. Assuming Bitcoin money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $475.24, with a base cost of $422.43 and a typical cost of $443.55. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $549.16 by 2027, with a base cost of $528.04 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, BCH has a greatest value worth of $580.85. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $654.77. In the event that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $686.45. Neglecting to accumulate the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $633.65. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $739.26 and a yearly cost close above $792.06 in 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Money will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $844.87 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $897.67, averaging out at $865.99. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest BCH cost in 2031 is projected to be $1,034.96 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $992.72. MACD line is over the MACD signal line. Yet RSI is under 45, accordingly energy is blended. The MACD histogram bars are lessening, which could show a deficiency of force. Overall volume is level, implying that it vacillates similarly on out-of-control days. Subsequently, the harmony among purchaser and merchant interest and supply is accomplished. Backing and obstruction. $100 is the nearest backing zone. $150 is the nearest obstruction zone, trailed by $200, $280, and $340. Bitcoin Money Current Cost. Bitcoin Money is as of now worth $105.61 USD. BCH has moved 2.96% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $78,705,439. Bitcoin Money is as of now position 27 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2